Ever marveled at the magic of a seed growing into a towering tree? That's the power of growth over time. Now imagine if your savings could do the same. This is where the concept of compound interest steps in. First off, we need to understand what interest is. Picture this. You lend a friend $10 and they promise to pay you back $11. That extra dollar is the interest, the price your friend pays for borrowing your money. Now let's dive into the deep end. Compound interest. This is interest on steroids. Not only does it calculate interest on your initial principal, the original amount you put in, but it also calculates interest on the interest you've already earned. Yes, it's interest earning interest. And this is where the power of time comes into play. The longer you leave your money, the more time it has to grow. It's like planting a tree. The earlier you plant it, the more time it has to grow bigger and stronger. Compound interest has real-world implications too. It's the reason why your savings account balance increases over time, why your investments grow, and unfortunately, why your loan amounts can get larger if you're not careful. So to summarize, compound interest is the process of earning interest on both your original money and on the interest you've previously earned. It's a powerful tool to grow your savings and investments over time. The key is to start early and let time do its magic. This is the beauty of compound interest. It's the gift that keeps on giving. The next time you see a towering tree, remember your savings have the potential to grow just as tall, all thanks to the power of compound interest. Please help like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for your help.